This video shows how to do the BMW F chassis 8HP EGS ISN refresh. Check all the accessories we need. Installing the 8HP interface board. Connect OBP ICP adapter. Short the CAN resistor on the OBP ICP adapter to the counter join side. Connect the ACDP host. Power up the ACDP host. Open ACDP software. Please confirm the ACDP host is properly connected. Click BMW. Click EGS. Click 8HP ISN Clear Support F Chassis. Click Clear ISN. Make sure that the ACDP device is connected to the EGS module. Click OK. Confirm that the EGS supports clearing ISN and ISN is not cleared. Click Continue. Start programming EGS module soon. Click OK. EGS module is being programmed. ISN data is being cleared. EGS module is being programmed. ISN data cleared successfully. Click OK. Click OK. Click EGS status. Make sure that the ACDP device is connected to the EGS module. Click OK. Confirm that the EGS ISN has been cleared. Click OK. Click OK. Thanks for watching.